And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll take you through the complete process of applying for a digital signature certificate or DSC. We also understand the difference between signature, sign and encrypt DSC, explore best practice and learn how to check the validity of your DSC. Here what we will cover in this video, document required to apply for DSC, step-by-step guide for application, difference between signature and sign encrypt DSC, security tips and best practice and how to check your DSC validity. In the next slide, we'll see document required to apply for a DSC. Before your beginning, make sure you have this document ready. Aadhaar card identification, identify verification, PAN card for tech identification, recent passport size photo and address proof such like a bank statement or utility bills, driving license, etc. Having this ready help you complete the application faster. Next, step 1, navigate to certifying authority, that is CA. CA is a short form of certifying authority. To start, visit the Minister of Corporate Office Affair, that is MCA official website. So I'll show you how to go to the MCA official website. So you can click write down MCA or click on the mca.gov.in. Once you visit to the website, you have to click on MCA service, then DSC service, then DSC certifying authorities. Once you click DSC certifying authorities, you will find trusted authorities. There are 15 CAs as trusted authorities. You can select one of them like eMudra or Capricorn or NIC, which you find a trusted. Select your preferred CA and click DST class 3 registration or apply now to start your application. I'm going to click go to the CA website like eMudra. Once I click eMudra, next configure your DSC setting carefully. Choose class 3 for maximum security. Select individual or organization user type. Then pick only sign and encrypt or both as per your need. Set validity 1, 2 or 3 years. Always choose for 2 years validity. Now click, if you are outside of India, then click on the checkbox residing outside India. And enter your mobile number, click on verifying. You will get the OTP in your registered mobile number. Enter your OTP. Then once you enter the OTP and verify, then there will be a DSC application form will be open. And now you have to fill your personal details, you have to fill your application, fill your complete information like your personal and business detail, upload your photos, documents, and e-sign declaration. This declaration also that will be in your company letterhead and submit. Once you upload all the documents, your photos, then go to then you have to do the identify and address verification. So there are 3 ways of verifying your identify and address. Attestation by an officer. Submit attested document to the officers. Copy of your document to the officers. Then next is Aadhaar eKYC, used for Aadhaar OTP. Okay, you have to enter your Aadhaar number and then you will get an OTP in your registered number which are registered to your Aadhaar. On that mobile number, you will get an OTP. Once you enter the OTP, you can click on the verification. Your identify and address verification will be done. Next, third option is bank verification. Provide a bank certificate showing your name, PAN and address and submit the document to your CA authorities. Once you've done the identify and address verification process, next step, the next step is complete payment. After filing out your application and uploading your document, proceed to payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI as your preference. You can do whatever the choice of your the payment method of the payment. All the and there's a one thing, all payment are encrypted for security, so your detail remain safe. Next step 5, approval and download. Once the certifying authority CA verify your documents, means once you have done your file application, you have fill all the personal details, upload your documents, identify, and address proof is where the verification is done. Once everything is done, then you have to click on the submit. Once you submit the documents or to do the do the payment, after the payment, certified authorities will verify your documents. When you will get an approval, once it is approved, that DSC will be your DSC will be approved. When they have approved your certifying, they have approved your certifying authority, they will approve your DSC will be approved, issued electronically. You will receive DSC will be approved and issued electronically. You will receive a secure USB token to store your certificate. Then use tool like ePass 2003 or EM Signer to install and activate your DSC on your computer. Means once you get the DSC approval and you get your certificate, you have to download ePass 2003 or EM Signer, which are most commonly used tool. Okay. Now come to the next slide, that is difference between signature and encrypt. So signature is used to verify your authenticity of the message or in the email or document, and encrypt is used to encode sensitive information in email or documents. Signature and encrypt allows to both sign and encrypt, meaning you can securely transmit confidential data along with your signature. If you are regularly exchange sensitive information online, the sign encrypt option is ideal way. So you can choose both, or you can choose only for signature also. Now next slide, DSC security and best practice. To keep your DSC secure, always store your USB token safely and do not share your passwords. Avoid using DSC on public or shared computer. Keep your antivirus software update. Renew your DSC before it expires to avoid workflow interruption. To check your DSC validity, log in your DSC token and open your CA utility software. Log in using your token password. Select your certificate and click the details tab to view expiry information. Pro tips: always set a reminder 30 days before expire so you can renew it on time. So always make sure that you renew your DST before on time. Okay. If you have question or need help to outreach us at infoskill@anything.com or call the number shown on screen. We are available in India, Canada, Russia and Sri Lanka. So thank you so much for watching videos.